Hello everyone, my name is Rad. I'm going to take you through my final exam question, the one I enjoyed doing the most, which was number 4. It's a long answer or essay type question worth 30 marks. And what it asks you to do is to create a document or outline a lesson plan that walks you through. In this case, I selected something simple like saving a document in Microsoft Word. Just the idea, the emphasis being here on the lesson plan setup, how you go about it, rather than the actual task at hand itself. And I'm sure everyone knows how to save a Microsoft Word document, so um, it's just like the exercise. I'm sure you've all done it before, where you go and outline like exactly the steps how to put on your underwear, for example. Well, in this case, we're not putting on our underwear, but we are saving a document in Microsoft Word, which I think for most of you is about the same level of difficulty, of, if not less. But anyways, the types of things that I'm looking for is a title for the plan, the objective, an interval of time that this will take, an hour to save a Microsoft Word document, the materials and the topics list, the actual procedure for your delivery, including an introduction, some sort of practice, lab work, and then an evaluation and a conclusion, of course. Um, and the cognitive domains, the Bloom's area of taxonomy is a cognitive domain. All knowledge recall, but on top of that, you also have to do some analysis because we are combining analysis and synthesis rather, because we are combining a lot of the concepts that we learned in class and clashing them into one. This is a two-part question, so obviously this here is just like an accepted. There is an accepted range of answers, but this is like a sample that you go you would go by as when you're marking this type of question. The second part asks you to mention and then gives the pros and cons of several different learning methods that we learned in class. And you can see how this goes with the first part of the question, because now you're actually talking about, in the first part, you're delivering something and you're implementing a lesson plan. Here, you're talking about the different types of delivery and learning. And um, some of them that I mentioned are lecture, demonstration type, games and simulations. I ask you to name pros and cons, and here I demonstrated a few simple examples of some of the pros and cons for each of these. And again, it is the cognitive domain, and knowledge recall, and analysis, synthesis, and evaluation, because you are evaluating the different lesson plans by giving them pros and cons. So that is it. That's my favorite question of the exam. I hope you enjoy that. And yeah, thank you guys.